Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix sleep mode missing from your power options in Windows 11. And these steps will work for Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 7, whichever one you name it. So let me go ahead and show you what I mean. If I click the Windows key in my keyboard or taskbar and go to my power options, like I want to power off my computer, you realize I only have lock, sleep, and restart, but the sleep option is missing, right? So how do you fix that? All you have to do, guys, is simply go ahead and open up your control panel. So you can start searching for control panel. Once you click on start, this will open up your control panel here, as you can see, and you want to go to your power options. Now from here on the upper left hand side, you want to click choose what the power button do, right? So once you click on that, you want to change. At the top here, you will see in fine writing, change settings that are currently unavailable. So you want to click on that, and here you will see under shutdown settings that most likely your sleep option is unchecked. So all you have to do is just check this box, click save changes, and now if I go back to my power options, you will see that it's now showing sleep. And that's it. That's how you easily go ahead and fix sleep option missing from your power settings in your Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7 PC. Very easy and very simple, guys.